2, 1.
Nothing short of total decimation will suffice!
He can be stunned too, so keep that in mind.
Oh crap. Rune is over here if you guys want to switch sides.
You're gonna have to move.
Run out.
Oh, you're good.
Another rune. Fucker. Spell steal. Thank you. Oh shit. Another rune.
Get away, get away.
Alright, he's gonna go down right now.
I'll move closer.
Get away from the blue one. Away from the blue one. Move around.
I think you got a little edge there at the end. You can jump on.
Away from the blue one. Get ready to move. Green's coming.
Dex. Ooh, that was scary.
Popping cooldowns for this part. Not yet.
Alright, we're at 12%. And the second rune just went down. Can we burn him?
Wait, wait. Don't push.
Top me off, top me off, top me off.
As soon as he drops the blue one, we're gonna finish him. Don't kill him yet. Don't kill him yet.
Fuck.
Pull him over, Eric.
I'm going.
Soulstone, Eric, and Hero.
You seek the secrets of Ulduar! Then take them!
Is he on it? Is he on it? I can't tell.
No, he's not.
Gone, it's gone.
All out, guys. All out.
Is the Soulstone on Eric?
Yes. Keep going.
Oh.
Keep going.
I'll pick him up after you go down. That's the timer, Dex.
14. I'm gonna start moving away. Stay where you are, guys. Don't follow.
Go ahead and taunt it.
You seek the secrets of Ulduar, then take them!
Buff Dexty.
Dispel him. Dispel him.
Buff Dex.
We got it. We got it. 43 seconds.
Run Kitty to DPS.
Push, guys. Push.
Fuck yeah!
Fuck yeah, guys.
Fuck.
Fuck yeah!
A masticator? What the hell? Is
Holy crap, guys! Damien, you want that?
Yeah, I'll take it.
that? Oh,
Like that lay on hand save, Eric.
Yeah, come over here and stand by me. Yeah, come
No,
here.
get away from him.
Come here. I got something for you.
I guess Damien's the only one that wants it. All right.